Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all in safe with God blessing. So now I will explain 12th standard computer applications chapter 1 multimedia and desktop publishing. 12th standard computer applications chapter 1 multimedia and desktop publishing. So now the introduction to multimedia. So multimedia means multi plus media. The word multimedia comes from multi plus media. So what is the meaning of multi? Multi means many or more than one. Multi means many or more than one. Media like the communication channel. So what are the communication channel in our life? For example, the example of media like newspaper, radio, television, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. So like and all the example of media like the communication channel. So if we get the newspaper, we have to read some text information. In the newspaper is a text media. In radio means is a sound. We have to hear some information only for audio format. So it's a sound media. Television means we have to hear the sound also. We have to see some of picture. So the newspaper and radio and televisions are mass media. And Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter are social media. So you know the concept in media. So the introduction to multimedia. The word multimedia like multi plus media. Multi means many or more than one. So media like the communication channel. In our life we have to we have to using the communication newspaper, radio, television, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter like and all. Okay, so what are the different forms of media? In media, what are the different forms having the media? So the media having like text, graphics, sound, video and animation. So text means the example newspaper media. Graphics means pictures or images. Sound is best example for radio. So video and animation like in television. So these components are main component of media. So these the text, graphics, sound, video and animations are the best component of media. Okay, so the different forms in media like text, graphic, sound, video and animation. So what is the definition? So the definition of multimedia or what is multimedia or the definition of multimedia. So already I given the notes. The term multimedia consists of two words like multi and media. So the definition of multimedia, the term multimedia consists of two words like multi and media. So here multimedia is an integration of many types of media. Multimedia is an integration of many types of media. So medias like text, graphics, images, audio, animation, video, etc. on a single medium in the same information unit. So the definition of multimedia is an integration of many types of media. So like text, graphics, images, audio, animation and video like etc. on a single medium in the same information unit. So this is the main concept in multimedia definition. Okay, so do you understand the definition in multimedia? So multimedia, the term multimedia can come from multi and media. So definition like this here. And another one, it is when one of the 5-mark question, multimedia. Component of multimedia is one of 5-mark question. So what are the components in multimedia? So in your book, the components of multimedia. So multimedia has 5 major components. Multimedia has 5 major components. It's like text, images, sound, video and animation. So dear student, please note. So it's one of the 2-mark question. So the component of multimedia just only for 5 words like text, images, sound, video and animation. So these 5 words you have to write means you have to get 2 mark. Okay. So the component of multimedia, the multimedia has 5 major components. So what are the 5 major components? Text, images, sound, video and animation. So now I will explain the given components. So these components divided into 2 ways. The 5 components divided into 2 categories. So first one static element and second one dynamic element. So the 5 components in the multimedia you know. So the 5 components divide into 2 ways. First one static element and second one dynamic element. So what are the static element? Text and graphics are static element. Text and graphics are a static elements. Remaining 3 components like video, animation and audios are dynamic elements. So you see text or graphics. So graphics are image you know. So this is the static element and video, animation and audios are dynamic elements. So what is mean by static and dynamic? Here, what is the meaning of static and dynamic? So static means unchanged. Static means unchanged or stable. Unchanged or stable. Like once typed in the news in the newspaper, it cannot be changed, you know. But dynamic means active or lively. Dynamic means active or lively. TV news. So you see morning we have to hear some news. Afternoon also we have to hear some news. So it will be changing. So do you understand the concept static and dynamic? So static means unchanged. Once it declare, it cannot change. Dynamic is a active or lively. So now I will explain the component one by one. The static component, first one, text. So in your book 1.3.1 text. So the first major component in multimedia, text. So text is the basic component of multimedia. Text is the basic component of multimedia. And also text is the most common ways of communicating information to other person. So like if we want to sharing some other information, we have to write the letter, we have to give another person, you know. So before that letter 20 years or 30 years ago, they are using only for letters or dove. They have to communicating their information. So now today we have to using the text information like we have to use newspaper, magazine, wall posters, banners, advertisement notice, etc. So the text is a basic component of multimedia. So text is the most common ways of communicating information to other person. So example of text like newspaper, magazine, wall posters, banners, advertisement and advertisement notice, like etc. So in the component text also divided into two types. Text also divided into two types. So first one static text and next one hypertext. Next one hypertext. So static text means once we have to type, it cannot be changed. Already you know the static means unchanged or stable. So hypertext is some differ from static text. So now I explain static text. The text or the words. The text or the words will remain static as a heading or in a line or in a paragraph. So here you see the text or the words will remain static as a heading or in a line or in a paragraph. So these words or these text are given along with the images to explain about the images. In this concept you have to see in the newspaper. In newspaper, any other picture given, that the pictures explain some of information. So that is the example of static text. So the word are given along with the images to explain about the images. And another type of text like hypertext. So hypertext is a system which consists of node. So you see here node. So node means we have to using network concept. Hypertext is a system which consists of nodes. So the text and the link between the node which define the path the users need to follow for the text access in non-sequential way. So hypertext sometimes called a network of nodes. You see the link in your computer system in blue color line, www. something else in your document. Just you have to click that line, it going to the directly its path. So this is the hypertext processing. In any other Word document, if you link any other net concept means just you have to click the blue line, it also going to directly its own location. So this is the node concept. So hypertext is a system which consists of nodes. So the text and the links between the nodes which define the path the users need to follow for the text access in non-sequential way. So hypertext sometimes called a network of node. So what is mean by node, or what is node? A node is a collection of data organized around a specific topic. A node is a collection of data organized around a specific topic. So the node is the basic and fundamental unit of hypertext. So node is the basic or fundamental unit of hypertext. So hypertext means a hypertext is a system which is consist of node. So that's why the node is called the fundamental unit of hypertext. So this is the concept for text component. In text component you see, so text component you see the basic component in multimedia. So the common communicating information to another person. Example, so text component divided into static and hypertext. So static means the word given along with the image to explain about the images, like you see the newspaper, and hypertext like network concept. And next component of multimedia like images. Next component of multimedia like images. So images act as an vital component in multimedia. So vital component like the important component in multimedia. Images act as an important component in multimedia. In these images are generated by the computer in two ways. These images are generated by the computer in two ways. Like the first one, bitmap or raster images. First one, bitmap or raster images, and second one, vector images. The two type of images like bitmap, vector images. Bitmap, another name of bitmap image like raster images. Second type, vector images. So now we have to see bitmap or raster images. The common and comprehensive form of storing images in a computer is raster or bitmap image. So see, the common and comprehensive form of storing images in a computer is called raster or bitmap image. So bitmap is a simple matrix. Bitmap is a simple matrix of the tiny dots. Tiny dots called pixel that forms a raster images. Bitmap is a simple matrix of the tiny dots, dot-like dots called pixel that forms a raster images. So each pixel consists of two or more colors. Each pixel consists of two or more colors. So pixel is a smallest single component of a digital images. Pixel is a smallest single component of a digital images. So the meaning of pixel like picture plus elements, that is known as pixel. Pixel, that is known as picture plus element. The example of bitmap or raster image, the best example like GIF file, JPEG file. GIF or JPEG file is the example of bitmap or raster images. And next one, the another type of image like vector images. So vector images means drawing elements or object just like lion, rectangle, circle and so on to create an images are based on vector images. So the main advantage of vector images, so like it have to comparison of bitmap, the vector image display very clearly. So the advantage of vector image is relatively small amount of data is required to represent the image and thereby only less memory is needed to store. So the main advantage of vector images like relatively small amount of data is required to represent the image and thereby only less memory is needed to store. So the vector images display very clearly. Comparison of bitmap image or vector image, which one is best way? The vector images is very best way. So the example of vector images like PDF file. And third one, the third component of multimedia like animation. Third component of multimedia like animation. So animation is the process displaying still images so quickly or moving so that they give the impression of continuous movement. Animation is the process displaying still images so quickly so that they give the impression of continuous movement. So animation means continuous movement for given images. Okay. So there are two types of animation. There are two types of animation. First one, path animation. Second one, frame animation. So what is path animation? So the path animation involves moving an object on a screen that has a constant or permanent background. Path animation involves moving an object on a screen that has a constant background. The frame animation, second type of animation like frame animation. So in frame animations, multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously and the background or the object also changes. But the path animation, the background is constant like permanent, it not change. The frame animations, multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously and the background or the objects also changes. So if we create the frame animation means we have to create at least 16 frames per second. The least frame rate of the at least 16 frames per second gives the impression of smoothness. A small animation like we have to create at least 16 frames. In case we want to looking for natural moving like it should be at least 25 frames per second we have to set. Okay. So frame animation, just you have to see in frame animations, multiple objects are allowed to travel simultaneously and the backgrounds or the object also changes. So if you want to creating the animation like at least frame rate 16 frame per second. Hello students. The next component of multimedia is sound. The next component of multimedia is sound. So the sound is a simple and essential component in multimedia. So sound is a meaningful speech in any language and is the most serious element in multimedia. It providing the pleasure of music, special effect and so on. So sound means you have to write is a essential component in multimedia. It's a meaningful speech in any language and is most serious element in multimedia because it providing the pleasure of music, special effect and so on. So here one example, if you hear any songs without sound you have to like no, without sound we have to hear any songs, it's not here. So sound is very need to hear anything else. Okay. So if we want to sharing, if we want to uploading the sound in the computer system, we have to using one devices like MIDI. If you connecting or if you interchange the sound effect in our computer system, here we are using one of the instrument like MIDI. So what is the expansion of MIDI? M-I-D-I. M-I-D-I, MIDI. So the expansion of MIDI is musical instrument digital identifier or interface. So in your book having identifier, so same meaning like interface. So interface means we have to interchanging the communication. So expansion of MIDI. What is the expansion of MIDI? Musical instrument digital identifier or interface. So it was developed by the MIDI is a standard communication tool. It's very important. MIDI is a standard communication tool developed by computers and electronic instruments. If you any other electronic instruments, it's need this concept. MID concept is very important because it was only used to interchange the sound into computer system or radio, television, any other electronic instrument, electronic devices or any other electronic devices. It will be using this concept, MID concept. So the MID is a standard communication tool developed for computers and any other electronic instrument. Okay. So in the sound divided into two type of sound. So there are two types of sound. So first one analog sound and another one digital sound. Analog sound and digital sound. So see what is mean by analog sound. So analog sound, that means natural sound like human speech directly. Any other two persons speak with them like a analog sound. We have to speaking straightly, face to face we have to speak. That means like analog sound. Birds sound, animals like and all. We have to hear directly, that is the analog sound. So analog sound means we have to hear face to face or nearly, directly we have to hear. Analog sound means we have to hear directly. So what is digital sound? So now you are hearing in my videos at your home, you know, this is digital sound. I am speaking one place, but you are hearing one space. Here you are using mobile or computer system. In my sound translating the electronic device, that is known as digital sound. So the digital sound, that means analog sound convert into electronic device. I am speaking one of this place, you know. So I am speaking one of the place. It will be recording one electronic device. You have to hear. You are hearing. So the digital sound, that means analog sound convert into electronic device. So this method is called sampling. So analog sound convert into digital sound, that is known as sampling. So what is mean by sampling? So sampling is a method of converting an analog audio signal into digital signal. So sampling in a method of converting an analog audio signal into digital signal. So let's consider one of the example. If we are in the long auditorium, big crowd, we are sitting hearing some of information in the long crowd. The stage, you are sitting one place, the stage will be appear very far. So you can't hear that person's speech. Okay, so that time the person using mic. So mic, the person speaking something else, we have to hear the mic or speaker. So this processing known as sampling. One person speaking something else, it will be converting into a speaker. So this process is a digital signal or digital sound. So do you understand the concept? So analog sound means natural sound. Directly we have to hear. Digital means the analog sound convert into electronic devices. Though that is known as digital sound. The next component of multimedia like video. Next component of multimedia like video. In your book 1.3.5 video. So video is defined as the display. So video is defined as the display of recorded event or scene, etc. If you hear only the voice, are you interested? No. We want to see something else or something picture. That means we have to creating video. So video is defined as the display of recorded event or scene. The powerful way to convey information in multimedia applications are embedding of video. So you note, so the video means the powerful way. The essential the sound means என்ன சொன்னோம், the sound is a essential component, but video is the powerful way to convey the information in multimedia applications or embedding of video. So you have to note the video defined as the display of recorded event or scene, the powerful way to convey information in multimedia applications or embedding of video. You see how many type of sound, analog sound and digital sound. So that same way the video can be categorized in two types. The video can be categorized in two types. First one analog video, second one digital video. So what is analog video? In analog video, the video's data are stored in any non-computer media like video tape, a laser disc, film, etc. Analog is a non-computer media. So non-computer media that like video tape, laser disc and film, etc. So analog video data are stored in any non-computer media like videotape or laser disc or film, etc. So what is digital? So digital means we have to see. So now you are seeing this video, that is like digital video. You are seeing this video like digital video. So in this video you have to learn the multimedia concept, what is mean by multimedia, and what are the components in multimedia. So in this video you have to learn 12th standard computer application chapter 1 multimedia desktop publishing. So what is the media, multimedia, and the definition of multimedia and different forms of multimedia, and the definition of multimedia, and the main component, the major component. There are 5 components. 2 more question. What are the components in multimedia? Like you have to write only for 5 words: text, images, sound, video and animation. In 5 more question you have to explain one by one. So what is text, what are the type in text, what are the types in images, how many types in sound, how many types in video, like and all you have to explain, means that is 5 more question. Okay, so this component of multimedia. So the component, it will be divided into 2 categories: static element and dynamic element. So what is mean by static, what is mean by dynamic? The first element, text, common way. So text type, static text and hypertext. So already I explained. So static, dynamic, hypertext. The next component, images. So 2 type of images like bitmap or raster image, vector images. So what is raster? It was developed by MS Office Word in 1987. It was developed in 1987, Microsoft Word. So the example of raster images like GIF, JPEG file, and vector images. So vector images display very clearly. And animation, there are 2 types of animation like path animation and frame animation. It is very important concept. Path means the background should be in permanent location. And frame, if we want to creating the smallest frame like per second, we have to creating 16 frame. It's very important. 1 more question. The smoothness are very smallest emotion animation, we have to creating 16 frame. The clear or natural looking animation, we have to creating 25 frames per second. So 1 more question. And sound. Fourth component, sound. The instrument converting in the computer system, we have to using MIDI, DI. So what are the types of sound? Analog and digital. The last component of multimedia, video. So video is the display. Video means display. You are seeing this concept. So video also two type, analog video and digital video. So this concept including multimedia and multimedia component. Thank you.